right, 25 minutes done, guys. We can talk a bit if anyone is here. If you guys have any questions, I'm gonna leave it 10, so we got 9 more minutes. What's up? So far the challenge has been they just to kind of share, right? Like, so we are passing a db in each thread, right? And so what that makes us do is like you cannot pass the db as a mutable object every time in the thread. It will be race condition and all, right? So you need to use arc mutex. Mutex will help us make sure that we use lock whenever we access it, and arc is for shared state. So that's like what the refactoring I'm doing right now. So I guess here what we can do is db object dot what was it saying, lock dot await. Okay. Oh, I need to first fix this part. Done, right? So over here we can do db object dot lock acquire some mutex blocking the current thread until it is able to do so, and dot await, right? But how will I? So this should give me a mutable reference, huh? But can this be used as a context manager? So how they're doing it, right? Lock dot unwrap equal to 10. No, not this one. And it's a typical JSON DB. I'm not shifted to a proper DB yet. See, the point was it didn't need any scalability and all. So I was like, okay, let's build our own. And now when I'm building it, I'm just, okay, these are the things that you should take care of. So that's why, like, this is a DB that I made myself. DB object.lock, what will it do? But I should, okay, what is this then? Yeah, I know, like, go to result, go to mutex card. How do I go to the DB? Okay, how does it work? Probably unwrap. What is this now? Mutex card.db, right? Yeah, so this gives me the option. So what I can do is here I can use current DB. Let's see if it works. Yep, it works, right? So anyways, like, honest, wait a minute, why did I need this? Why do I need to pass a DB here? What am I doing with it? Over here I'm not doing anything, right? So I can just keep passing a DB, right? Let me see. So this was for just printing, and then it becomes, okay, wait a minute, the nice reinventing the wheel. I don't know, yeah. Like, see, the whole point is to learn first of all, and to learn you should be able to understand. Like, I've seen so many people saying that, hey, this DB is nice, hey, this DB is this, but like, unless until you experience it like yourself, you'll not know that what was wrong with it. Now I understand why JSON is really, really, really bad for anything wherever you want to scale. If it's like a just 10 line content that you want to store in DB, JSON is the way to go. You don't want to overkill with using any SQL and all, or MySQL, etc. Right? Depends on what kind of data do you want to store. But yeah, over here, like, I would definitely want to not store in JSON. I mean, that's still an overkill, right? Like, why would you want to? Because it's just 10 line content, store it in a text file and move on. Like, I don't think there's an immediate performance benefit that you get from there. And like, of course, Postgres and all, you can store JSON DB as well, but there are some limitations. You cannot store everything, right? You cannot store complex types and all. You need to redefine them or something like that, right? So it's not immediately obvious. Okay, so just a minute. I don't even need a DB here. So I did all this effort for nothing. I mean, probably. Let me see. Where was I? I was using this in it. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, there you go, right? Yeah, I like this neovim feature at least. This quick fix list is very helpful. So this is again not needed. So db clone over here is not needed. So what I can do is I can just... You don't like what, bro? So this should be returning something, right? Yeah, this does return output star. So how do I make it store? It's in file set neovim. Acha, honestly, if neovim was stable enough that things any external plugins don't break, will you use it? I'm just very curious. No. Okay, so why? And that kind of answers some of the things that we were discussing. Wait, I don't need to pass it at all, right? It should work out of the box. So you're saying like it should not need any plugins and all, huh? It should just work when you open neovim. It should just work. I see. So like with VS Code, the benefit that you get is like whenever you open a new file, you can go to extensions, you can install their language pack, and you will be done. So even if like in the worst case, you'll happy with that. So if neovim had that thing like, okay, Mason, whatever, install the language pack that comes along with resetter for that comes along with LSP. Yeah, I didn't use it, but I did see a lot of stuff going on about it. Seems like people like it. Yeah. Have you used it? By the way, so over here, let me just quickly mention. So the reason why we needed a DB was because we needed to store. Yes, I think it's good. Much better than GitHub Copilot at least. Oh wow, is it? Have you tried using it? I mean, sorry, I don't know if you mentioned that you used it or not.
Hello, this is Cursor, the nicest and most powerful
Let's see this video, guys.
way to code with AI. Cursor comes with uniquely...
I said above I used it. Yes, I think it's good. I thought you mentioned that you do believe it's good, sorry.
Intelligent autocomplete capabilities. In addition to normal end-of-line predictions, Cursor can complete over multiple lines and can even suggest entire diffs. One of Cursor's core features is Command K, which lets you write code in plain English. For instance, we can add a new state variable to this Markdown streamer by just asking the AI to do it. You can easily correct and extend the AI's implementation.
Okay, sounds like something they implemented, but okay. Anyways, I guess it's time for me to log off. No, your code base is good. You don't have to copy paste into chat. Yeah, that's the most important thing, right? Like I want them to scroll through my workspace. See, if I am using AI, I don't mind them using my code, right? And just passing it along. As long as they make something about it, it will be good. Auto completion and this stuff sucks. Interesting. Not bad, I would say. Like, I would have preferred it to be a plugin instead, like that you can use it in neovim and all, instead of a whole editor they are building from scratch. There's just too many editors, right? It's okay, but their choice. I think they just wanted. You don't want plugins, huh? Yeah, that's more dependency, huh? It's not from scratch. Oh, okay, it's not from scratch. Okay, then it's good. So they built upon VS Codium or something. इसका VS Code 4. Got it. It's time for VS Code to change the license. Interesting. ये भी बढ़िया है actually. Not bad. Essential config and all. Interesting. Nice. Yeah. Perfect. I think for now, buddy, it's time for me to leave. Dave, thank you so much for being here. Sorry for the morning stream. Hopefully this time will mostly work. As long as like music plays and I don't get to speak while I'm coding, I think I will do a better job. When I start talking, then it becomes like a whole different stream. Thank you so much, Dave. Take care. Have a good day as well. Enjoy. Ta-da. Bye. For myself too. Have a great day. Okay, chalo. Bye bye. What the? Have a great day, buddy. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.